No more talking behind each other's backs. Now they are face to face. And pretty soon, fist to fist.
The only thing that would make this match more enjoyable to watch would be if I was calling it without you two bozos interrupting me.
Just striking at will. Oh, man. Ooh, right in the face.
Destroyed.
Oh, check that out. Corkscrew neck breaker. So good. On the second rope. Using the ropes to knee lift. What a stomp. Good grief.
She's on the defensive now, but I'd be surprised if she doesn't find a way back and control this thing.
Well, she's looked good up until now. She just has to make sure not to absorb too much punishment here if she wants to get back into this thing.
Shot block. She's able to get out of the way there.
Oh, man, she's rolling now. She is on fire.
She's in a bad way here, Byron.
Don't count her out yet, Michael. There's the cover.
Going to the top. High risk.
Whoa! All the way. What impact.
She's starting to stagger a bit. She's going to have to make sure this doesn't get out of hand.
You know, she's the kind of competitor that actually likes getting hit. It motivates her. And this might just be what she needs to put her over the top.
Ooh, what impact.
This is it. This is her chance.
You gotta believe this one's over. She counters before it's too late. Escapes trouble there. Gonna try for something else here.
I'm not sure what the plan is here, Michael.
Ooh, just dropped.
She goes for the cover. And an early kick out. She's still in this one. Harsh impact.
Looks to me like the gas tank is at about halfway. You want to make sure it doesn't get close enough to E, though. That's for sure.
Oh, man, she's rolling now.
Uh-oh.
Watch out.
Oh, shoulder first.
I think the ring just shifted.
Nope, reverses it. Going for broke. Could be something here. What a move.
Beautiful technique.
I knew it was only a matter of time.
When she gets in attack mode, look out. Going for the big one.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
That might have done it, Cole.
She's... Oh, my God.
That's how you put an exclamation.
She goes for the cover. 1, 2, 3.
The pinfall and the victory.
Let's take another look at these ladies going toe-to-toe.
Critics of these ladies in the WWE might not have been very impressed, but they did do some nice things in there. The superstars in this one got after it pretty good from the opening bell. Can't complain about technical proficiency or result.
You heard the ring announcer. This one's over. And here's your winner.
Few things are more rewarding than that feeling of keeping your opponent's shoulders down for the 3 count.
Another amazing match in the long and storied history of Survivor Series.
Used to keep a 9 million for protection, just in case a nigga wanna take my bread. Then the voice came down from the sky and said